It's an unwritten rule in piano. You must learn Happy Birthday. Hi, I'm Miss Emily with EBN Music, and I'm a music teacher and a mom. And I'm here to help parents introduce music to their kids in a fun, joyful way. Yes, in today's video, we're going to learn how to play Happy Birthday. There is always a time to play Happy Birthday. It's always somebody's birthday. We're going to learn how to play this in two ways. First, the melody only from my book, My First Piano Sheet Music. The second way is to play the chords, so you can play while somebody sings along. You can go grab this book at ebnmusic.com/books and go ahead and grab the green book and also the red book, the Christmas book. These are perfect for your young beginner piano students. They're easy songs with the letter names written in. Easy. So today we are going to learn the exact melody from this book, and then we're going to take it a step up and learn the chords. So without further ado, join me at the piano. Let's learn Happy Birthday. Okay, so first let me just play through the whole song for you so you know exactly what you're going to learn here. The first time I'm going to use just my 2 finger to play it, and then the second time I'm going to use the correct, quote unquote, hand position. Okay, so let's do it. Here we go. We're gonna do Happy Birthday. We're gonna start on our G. It's in Grandma's house. Who lives inside Grandma's house but Grandma? And here's your G. All right, here's the 2 finger version. And now in next door neighbor position. Okay, let us break this down. The very first line, you're gonna start on your G. These notes are called eighth notes, and we're gonna say the word running, because those are a little bit faster. So we go running, walk, walk, G, G, A, G. After we do that, we play a right hand C. And then the B is with my left hand 1 finger. Those of you with a keen eye, you might notice the next part is very similar, with the exception of the to you. But the happy birthday is exactly the same. So the second pattern again goes D, C. Okay, the third section is this one. Always trips people up, but it's not going to trip you up. You're going to get this. It starts the same on our G, but it goes from this G to that G. If you were doing it with the pointer finger, that's a pretty big jump. You'll have to practice that jump if you're going to do it with the 2 finger only. All right, so it's happy birthday, dear. Notice those were all skips. G, skip, skip. Then you do a step down to the B, and then a step again to the A. Then the fourth section, it starts on your F on the 4 finger. All with the right hand there. F, F, E, C, D, C. Let's try that all together nice and slowly, starting with the running on the G. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Here's our big jump. Skip, skip, step, F. See, not too bad, right? You had the music up there. You can definitely learn this. Pause this video and practice that part. So then now, if you're ready for the little challenge, this time I'm going to teach you the chords, and I'm going to show you something called the bunny ear chords. Let's say you're at a birthday party and somebody has a piano and you might not want to just play the melody, you might want to just play the chords while everybody sings, right? We're going to take this nice and easy. Bunny ear chords are just what they sound like. You're going to take these two fingers, your 2 finger and your 3 finger, hold them up like bunny ears, and you're going to play skips. And a skip is where you play 2 keys, but you skip a key. So instead of these two, it's these two. All right, take the bunny ears. You're gonna play these on a C and an E. Find your dog house. The group of 2 black keys is your dog house. The dog is inside the D, and his friend Catsby the cat is here. And the E, the eagle flying overhead. You're gonna play on the C and the E. I like to play the pitch that we start singing, so you're gonna sing here. You're gonna start playing it when you say the word birth. So it is, happy birthday to you. When you say you, you're going to go down a key to the B and the D. Try that again. Happy birthday to you. Stay right here for the next part. Started on birth. Happy birthday to you. And then on you, switch to there. So it's exactly the opposite. So you start with the C, move to the BD, BD to CE. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. On the big jump, these 2 fingers aren't going to have a big jump. You're going to move not to the B, but you're going to move down 1 more to the A and the C here. Happy birthday, dear. Now, when you say the name of the person, so I'm going to say my name, Emily. Happy birthday, dear Emily. You're going to come down to F and A. So those were a skip, chords that skipped. So it's A to C, skip these, and go here. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Keep holding it. Happy birth. When you say birth, go back to your C. Birthday to. When you say the word to, go to your B and D. To you. That's kind of a fast one, so you can go happy birthday to you. So let's practice that section again. That's the 3rd section with the big jump. You're here on the A and the C. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you. So when you say the name, birthday, dear Emily, you can kind of wait for a little while. It's optional to play this chord again when they sing the word happy. So Emily, happy birthday to you. But when you're first starting, if you play this, it's kind of a big jump to go over here. That's why I said just hold it out. Emily, happy birth. So you can use the word happy to go back up to your C and E to give you plenty of time. Emily, happy birthday to you. Okay, let's go through the whole thing. Your chords are right up here. Follow along. You're starting on your C and E. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so here is a bonus for you. If you are ready, if you've practiced those bunny ear chords, you're ready for a little challenge. Here's the challenge, and we're going to use our left hand. So we're going to play certain notes, just one note with this finger in the left hand to sort of round the sound out, okay? So I'm going to call out the letters that I'm playing here in the left hand while I'm playing the right hand chords. So we start with C. Happy C, G, G, C, A, F, C, G, C, or you can go C, which that kind of sounds cooler. So real quick with the left hand only, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Emily, happy birthday to you. did you play along today? Did you enjoy it? Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it and if you had the opportunity to play it for somebody's birthday recently. And that melody of happy birthday is in my book here on page 54. The sheet music book. Go grab it again at ebnmusic.com/books. Go grab this and go ahead and grab the other two while you're at it. Follow me in all of my social medias. I am EBN Music everywhere. Instagram is ebn.music. And liking and subscribing to this channel helps me a lot, so I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, be sure to do that. And if you do grab this one or any of the other ones, comment below and let me know how it is, and I hope that you're having so much fun playing these songs at home. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.